Alright, so we know how Bitcoin works now. It's a super cool, never-ending stream of transactions organized in a chain of blocks, the blockchain, distributed across every single Bitcoin network participant. A decentralized digital currency. Isn't that all we want? Are we done? Well, wait, isn't there this Ethereum thing? The name sounds cool, right? But what actually is it? Well, a lot of things between Bitcoin and Ethereum are actually the same. Ethereum also has a blockchain and a continuous stream of transactions. And those transactions are bundled in blocks as well. And they are also put together as this immutable chain of blocks, the blockchain. Okay, so then Ethereum came around and said, that's not good enough. But why? Why is it not good enough? Well, I can show you best with a simple example. Think back to digital money with banks. You don't trust banks, so you rather put your money into Bitcoin. But is that all that banks do? No, obviously not. Banks these days have all kinds of services that go far beyond just managing deposited money. For example, pretty commonly, you can borrow money from banks. And since banks want guarantees to get their money back with interest, you usually have to give them some security. This could be a house, or even your stock market investments, which are then used as so-called collateral. And if you don't pay back your loan according to your contract, the bank will take control of those assets. For example, they will take your home. So you see, Bitcoin only solved one aspect which banks do, allowing digital money transfers, but nothing else. Ethereum, on the other hand, now enables one to truly build decentralized banks. And even more than that, not just decentralized banking applications, but any decentralized application. So what's the idea? Let's talk about it in the next chapter.